Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with today's brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on GBPJPY. And with no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as I am witnessing everything here, currently the market of GBPJPY has a bearish momentum inside it, and it has some negative points for the forecast of it, which shows that it is going to keep moving to the downside. But today's trade is going to be a buying trade with a certain level that you have to wait for the price of it to hit that level, then we can enter our trade. And there are no much of an information that is going to help us in news section, and I don't believe in news either, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on GBPJPY on 1 hour. Let me close this for you. And as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone is our trading zone, which we have to wait for the price to come and hit this zone. The green zone is going to be a strong support, which we are actually going to set our stop loss based on this level. And the red zone is a high time frame resistance that I have actually noticed before for this trade. And the thing is, we have to wait for the price of GBPJPY to come down or maybe touch the bottom level of our level, and then for it to come up, and then we can enter our trade and enjoy the ride to the upside. As always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.